I'm sharing with you how to make a workout bench with storage today. This is a super sturdy bench constructed of 2x3s for the frame and wrapped in 3/4 inch plywood. So start off by making your pocket holes into the 2x3s. Now it's time to assemble the short ends. I like to use a pocket hole clamp to keep my pieces in position when attaching with the screws. Now that the short ends are complete, we'll move on to the long cross supports. Here is the same process. Attach to each corner using the pocket holes. Keep in mind that you should keep your pocket holes to the exterior because they will be covered up by the plywood. A quick test run of the weight limits. It looks to be plenty sturdy and fine even without the plywood on the exterior. Moving on to the plywood wrap, I use the Craig AccuCut circular saw track guide system to make my cuts. Once the plywood was attached to the frame, I opted to add the steel L angles just to cover up the seam of the plywood. It's totally optional. For the top portion, I pieced together a bunch of leather scraps, enough to wrap around the plywood top, along with a 2-inch piece of foam and batting. Start in the center and pull your leather batting up and around the plywood and staple, working around all 4 sides equally as you go. At the corners, I like to take out some of the batting to lessen the bulk. in the corner part. So you can see I'm pulling back the leather and then I'll cut out all the extra batting. Once your material is attached, you can add the additional plywood piece underneath. That helps keep the top in position. And then I used a piano hinge to attach the top to the box. Finally, attach the 3-inch locking wheels to the underside of the box, and you have a completed workout bench. The bench is mobile and you can lock it in position. Here is a 6-foot nail on the bench. And the top opens for storage inside. This is a great workout bench for your home, complete with storage. Get the free plans at jamiecastiglio.com.